Igama lam nguLwambeso Asanda Sizani. I'm a 21-year-old livestock farmer that ventured into farming at the age of 16 years old. I farm under Ward 31, eMagazini, which is also known as Ngqecha Village 3, under Buffalo City Metro Municipality, which is under Amathole District. Ukufuya ndaqala ngonyaka 2021 ndisesesinaleni, also known as high school. Ndaqala ngeebhokhwe ezintathu zemazi of iSavannah Goat Breed. Into eyandiqalisa ukufuya was a passion for ubuXhosa bam nento ezandidibanisa nobuntu bam. Ndabona into yokuba noko intlantsi azinawunilinga kukho abantu abakhoyo. Ndabona into yokuba mandizame ke ungena ebuhlanti ngeebhokhwe ezi. In the year 2025, I formalized my business under Asanda Mixed Farming Pty Ltd. At the moment, I run a herd of 60 Savannah goats. I'm also entering ipiggery, ndineenkunzi enye kunye namathokazi amathathu. Iinkukhu nayo ndiyazama kwezi zingumleqwa. Iinkukhu ziseyi-20. Under 1 hectarage of umhlaba ndilime umbona. Umbona lo ndawubona into yokuba mandilime ngokukhawulelana neemeko ze-feed. Feed can be very costly. Umbona wam uyagutywa, utye kunye nezinye izinto for ukugubha i-feed yeebhokhwe kunye ndiwutyise umbona kwiihagu kunye neenkukhu. A member of youth, ndingacebisa into yokuba olunye ulutsha olunolwazi okanye olonqweno longena kwinto ze-agriculture zivuke zizenzele. Look at the entrepreneurship side of agriculture. Don't wait to be employed or to receive training. Go out there, find any available forms of training, whether it be through social media, free trainings provided by companies or the department. Entrepreneurship is booming and it leads to an economically viable business. The market that I supply, also known as the informal market, faces a booming demand of ibhokhwe through the seasons of June and December due to the rites of passage in culture yamaXhosa known as Lwalo. You'll find that throughout the year, there are also various other traditional rites of passages that require ibhokhwe, which is known as a kapata or in isiXhosa inkabi. That is the main target in my business at the moment. I will be able to gain a larger market, such as the export market, through forms of goat meat once I am able to produce a larger and more sustainable herd, which I'll be able to do through gaining access to larger pieces of land.